Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation ALT, A-L-T, which stands for alternate. You can alternate a bunch of things. So for this example here, I've got a moss stitch which alternates knit and purl stitches on each row. So you go knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and it creates this texture. Any kind of ribbing, that's alternating knit purl stitches. You can alternate two rows, for example. If one row is a set of one instruction and the other row is a set of different instructions. You can alternate colors. You can alternate your needle sizes and create different sizes of stitches on rows. You can also alternate your yarn, a thick yarn with thin yarn, textured, non-textured, specialty with plain. Yeah, you can alternate any number of things, but the pattern will indicate what it is that you are meant to alternate. So that is abbreviation ALT, A-L-T, alternate.